Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to take a look at another Windows 10 feature, the extended menu when we right-click on a file. Most of us are familiar with the context menu that we get when we right-click on a file up inside of our Windows program. This is what it looks like. But we also have an extended menu that has a lot more options that are very useful when we're trying to do certain things with certain file types. Let me show you. In this example, I have a program that runs in DOS, but I have no option when I right-click on it to open this program at the command prompt directly. I have to open the command prompt, then I have to change directory, and I'm going to have to browse on over to this program to be able to load it into the command prompt. But if I hold down my Shift key on my keyboard and then I right-click, I have a large number of additional options. One of those options is the copy as path. Let's go ahead and do that. Now that I have copied the path to this executable into my clipboard, I can go down here to my search bar, type in CMD, open up a command prompt, and at the prompt, if I right-click just one time, there's the path to that particular executable. And now when I press enter, I can run that executable in DOS. Now the extended menu that we get when we hold down the Shift key also extends to folders. So if I hold down the Shift key and I take a folder and I right-click, you'll see that my extended menu includes a lot more options. To include such thing as adding this into a library. Again, we have the options to open a command prompt here, open a PowerShell window, open in a new window, and open in new process. Different Microsoft operating systems have different options for their extended menu. You're not going to see all the options that I've shown you for my extended menu if you're running Windows 7. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about accessing the extended menu on our Windows 10 operating systems. You got questions, you got concerns, please don't hesitate, reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.